We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 AS 紅。你做咩？
嘴巴好酸啊 I feel mouth watering right now. I have all my liquids inside my mouth right now.
你牙齒痛啊？
不是，怎么牙齒痛呢？ No, I love this dish. Okay, in Hakka, we talked about the Hakka stir fry before, but there's something called the ginger stir fried intestines. And let's talk about the main ingredient inside this dish. And of course, 姜丝炒大肠, which is ginger and intestines.
芫絲炒太重。
芫絲炒太重。
不是臭，是芫嘅，不是臭。
不臭啦哈。
芫絲炒。
炒。Let's do it again. 芫絲炒太重。Back to this mouth-watering dish. There are other ingredients that are in it that are important. I know there's vinegar.
笋絲。
两个字哦。笋絲
就是醋嘛。
就是醋是。
醋它是很酸的，所以我们都会说笋絲。
Okay. So they call it like sour vinegar. 酸 is sour. 吃 vinegar. 吃东西的吃，酸吃。How about salt? There's going to be salt in here.
鹽。
鹽。鹽. Okay, that's salt. And finally, there's going to be, they have to add some rice wine or some sort of wine in it, 酒。
酒。
the 酒嘛okay 好 Those are the main ingredients. And Alice is so nice. Alice 非常感谢你今天带了这个姜丝炒大肠的做法。She brought me like a recipe right here on how to cook your own ginger stir-fried intestines. I'm going to try to do this without producing too much sound effects on the air because I'm loving this dish. But first of all, when you get your intestines, you got to remove all the oil, the grease inside the intestines, make it clean. You do that with flour and salt. 用面粉还有盐多次的搓洗干净。Then you cut up your ginger into strings, all right? After that, prepare your wok. Heat it up, put oil in it. The first thing you want to put in are the ginger strings. And after it's heated up a little bit, then you put in the intestines in and stir fry that until it is fully cooked. Finally, you put all the condiments and all the spices in, which included what we just said, salt, vinegar, and also a little bit of wine. And there you go. That's your ginger stir-fried intestines. But that does it for me. I'm going to eat some of this right now. 安子 say
什么大家？
张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.